Each driver has to sit correctly against the housing so the enclosure can seal properly and produce the bass response the system was designed for. The battery, circuit boards, wiring, and other electronic components are returned to their proper locations inside the rebuilt shell. With the electronics secured, the two major halves of the speaker can finally be brought back together. The casing is closed and the original screws return, locking everything into a solid assembly again. Next come the side passive radiators, an important part of the speaker's bass system and one of the most recognizable features of this JBL design. The restored side pieces are aligned and pressed carefully back into the enclosure.